Every day, customers share highly sensitive personal information through digital applications and online forms. In this example, a customer is applying for a credit card, entering data such as name, address, date of birth, income details, and even highly sensitive identifiers, like a social security number. Sensitive data moves rapidly across systems, services, and workflows, increasing the risk of exposure at runtime. Let's take a look at how PrivaClave protects this customer information at runtime once the data protection policies are set. The database where the customer information was being stored now contains de-identified information, as PrivaClave protected them in the data pipeline, even before they reach the database. All transactions are logged into the PrivaClave dashboard in real time, not only providing insights on the source, destination, pipeline of every data flow, and what data elements were part of the flow, their sensitivity or classification levels, but also the action taken on them, and how. Now, usually the challenge is with preserving business workflows when data is desensitized. But with PrivaClave, things just work, automatically and seamlessly, without requiring any changes to enterprise applications. With its integration with enterprise identity and access management systems, it ensures sensitive data is selectively re-identified or kept de-identified based on human or non-human identities, roles, permissions, or entitlements. PrivaClave, because data security should be automated, frictionless, and runtime in the age of AI.